So let's make palačinke. Now palačinke are otherwise known as a crepe, so this is just basically the Balkan version of it called palačinke. Now the recipe itself is very plain and simple, so if you choose to do a savoury or sweet filling, it will not contrast or cause any issues. So it's completely up to you in terms of what type of filling you want to do. It's as far as your imagination can go. So hope you enjoy. So first up, take all the ingredients listed apart from the oil and combine them together in your mixer. You can do this by hand. I prefer the mixer because it definitely gets all the lumps out of it and you'll have more of a smoother batter. So once you've got that all combined, I do start mixing on a low speed and then gradually increase it to a high just because I don't want the flour flicking out everywhere. So this is where your oil is going to come in handy. Now, although I use non-stick pans, I still prefer to lightly grease, and I mean lightly grease, the bottom of it, because when it cooks with the batter, it actually creates these little bubbles that darken a bit more and cook a little extra, and I prefer that flavor in it. So you don't have to do this step and you can go straight from the batter onto the pan, but I prefer it with a little bit of oil. Take a spoonful of your batter and then just literally swish that around so it's evenly coated on all sides and pop that down to cook. I do it on a highest heat, which is a 9, so that way I will get about 15 to 20 crepes done in less than 10 minutes. Now once golden on both sides, you can take that off and plate. Now put them all on top of each other on one single side plate, and you want to make sure that you're stacking them on top of each other because they're quite crisp and dry when you're cooking them individually, but then as you stack them up, the heat, the steam sort of softens and it becomes a really beautiful, soft and fluffy crepe. Once all cooked, you can go ahead and immediately start to set up your crepes. So depending on what filling you want, stack them up, roll them up, and get ready to serve. And there you have a very quick and simple way to make fail-proof palačinke, which you can enjoy both savoury or sweet. Enjoy guys, and be sure to comment and let me know if you have made these or have a better recommendation for a filling type.